Hello, and welcome to the 16th video of our series, English for Absolute Beginners. How to speak English in 30 days. In this video, we will learn how to use modal verbs in English. Modal verbs are special verbs that express possibility, ability, permission, obligation, or advice. They are always followed by the base form of another verb. For example, I can speak 3 languages. This is an ability. You should study hard for the exam. This is advice. He must not smoke in the hospital. This is an obligation. There are many modal verbs in English, but we will focus on the most common ones. Can, could, may, might, must, should, would. Let's look at some examples and rules for each modal verb. Can is used to express ability or possibility in the present or general time. For example, she can play the piano very well. Again, this is an ability that she has. It can rain a lot in this season, meaning that there is a possibility that it will rain. Could is used to express ability or possibility in the past or conditional situations. For example, he could run very fast when he was young. This is a past inability. If I had more time, I could travel around the world. This is a conditional possibility. May is used to express possibility or permission in the present or future. For example, she may come to the party later, meaning that there is a possibility that she may come. You may use my phone if you need to. You have been given permission to use the phone. Might is used to express possibility or permission in the past or conditional situations. For example, he might have missed the bus. This is past possibility. If you ask nicely, he might let you borrow his car. This is conditional permission. Must is used to express obligation or necessity in the present or future. For example, you must wear a mask when you go outside. This sentence is an obligation. He must be very tired after working all day. This one is a necessity. Should is used to express advice or recommendation in the present or future. For example, you should drink more water every day. This falls under advice. He should apply for that job. This one is a recommendation. Would is used to express preference or willingness in the present or future. For example, I would like a cup of coffee, please. This sentence expresses preference. She would help you if you asked her. This expresses willingness. Now that you have learned how to use modal verbs in English, Let's practice with some exercises. Fill in the blanks with the correct modal verb. Can, could, may, might, must, should, would. You. Be careful when you cross the street. You must be careful when you cross the street. He. Speak 5 languages fluently. He can speak 5 languages fluently. They not park their car here. They might not park their car here. She have left early this morning. She must have left early this morning. We go to the movies tonight if you want. We could go to the movies tonight if you want. You can write your own sentences using modal verbs to test your skills and how far this lesson has taken you. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Please support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more videos on how to speak English in 30 days. See you next time. Happy learning!